Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RIOT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a bigger pullback here on this one today after what started off as a nice little, what seemed to be a good start. I mean, it had a bit of a gap up. Now, it's not like it was a massive gap up or anything like that, but still, it did gap up. So you would think, okay, maybe this thing's getting ready to show some signs of strength. But then after that, just slowly drifted lower and lower the rest of the day. Now, I should emphasize that I'm talking about just today specifically. If you look at things from the bigger picture point of view, then the overall trend is still, upwards. It's not like the price has crashed down through a bunch of key levels or anything like that. So when I'm talking about today being disappointing, that's just strictly talking about today individually. But as we're doing right here and looking at the chart, when you look at multiple days, then you can see that, yeah, the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base, which is why I would, definitely consider this an important level to watch moving forward, right down there around the $27 mark. Because even if the price came down to 27 and then behaved like that, what would you still have? Emphasis on big picture. Well, from the big picture perspective, you would still have bases very clearly higher than previous ones, meaning you'd have, let me change up the colors there. You'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows there. You'd have that low down there. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, what do you have? Well, from the big picture perspective, you'd still very clearly have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. Again, I understand if you're a day trader and you bought right there or you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 7 minutes, well then yeah, from that angle, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I'm trying to really emphasize that I am making these current comments from more of an overarching standpoint. So yeah, today the price pulled back, but think about that word, today, as in one day. Looking at multiple days as we're doing here, you can see the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.